It was the tragic story that held our attention throughout the summer of 2001. And now, nearly a decade later, jury selection has finally beginning in the trial of the man accused of killing Washington, D.C. intern Chandra Levy. CBS News correspondent Whit Johnson is in Washington this morning with the latest. Good morning, Whit.
Maggie, good morning to you. The Chandra Levy sex scandal with former Congressman Gary Condit created such a distraction. Police made numerous missteps throughout the investigation. Now, 9 years later, the trial begins here with many questions left to be answered.
9 years ago, it was the missing person case that riveted a nation.
More canvassing by D.C. police, this time DuPont Circle.
Chandra Levy, a 24-year-old intern, simply vanished from her Washington, D.C. apartment, leaving her wallet and cell phone behind. Chandra's parents took to the airwaves, pleading for help in finding their daughter.
We as parents are very heartbroken as we don't know where our daughter is.
Suspicion immediately fell on then California Congressman Gary Condit, who'd been romantically linked with the Bureau of Prisons intern. Condit admitted they were friends, but stonewalled police, denying any affair. Only after months of intense scrutiny did he acknowledge an inappropriate relationship, but denied any role in her murder. 13 months after she went missing, a man walking his dog in Washington, D.C.'s Rock Creek Park discovered Chandra's remains, and police ruled her death a homicide. But it would be nearly 8 years before they charged anyone.
Mr. Guandique was responsible for murdering Chandra Levy in May 2001.
Ingmar Guandique, an illegal immigrant from El Salvador, was already serving time for assaulting 2 women in the same park where Chandra was found, an area that Chandra had done an internet map search for the day she disappeared. Convicting Guandique won't be easy. There's no physical evidence linking him to the crime. He never confessed to police, and he even passed a lie detector test.
All the prosecution really has, as far as we know up to this point, is the fact that Guandique allegedly told his fellow inmates that he killed Chandra Levy, that he kidnapped, raped, and killed Chandra Levy.
Condit lost his House seat in 2002 due in large part to the notoriety surrounding the case. He is expected to come back to Washington, D.C., a place he spent nearly a decade trying to avoid. That's to testify, Maggie.
All right, Whit Johnson in Washington. Whit, thank you so much.